Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign into UFV account. UFV stands for the University of the Fraser Valley. Firstly, to sign in, make sure you have an account. If you do, then you may go to any web browser of your choice. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for international.ufv.ca and press enter. Once it is completely loaded, you will be on the home page. Then, to sign in, go to My UFV on the top beside the calendar. A new page will open up where you have to enter your login credentials. Type in your email address in the first text box. To fill this, you have to make sure that you already have an account in UFV. That is because you have to use the email assigned by the university itself. That means your email has to have @ufv.ca instead of @gmail.com or @yahoo.com. After you have filled in your email address, click on Next. Then it will prompt you to enter your password. Once you make sure that you have filled in your credentials correctly, you may click on Login. This is how you can successfully log into your UFV account. UFV International is a department at the University of the Fraser Valley that focuses on supporting international students and promoting internationalization efforts at the university. UFV International plays a vital role in enhancing the international dimension of UFV's education and research activities, as well as supporting the diverse needs of its international students. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below.